Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group Collab, the theme is It's Cold Outside and it's hosted by me. And I thought since it is already December, it is time to start showing some winter manicures. I do hope that you will enjoy this idea and the tutorial itself. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. And I hope that you will like what you see here. And if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, I will have video links that were created for today's collaboration box, and all the pictures are at the end of my video, so definitely stay tuned. If you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. And you know guys, as much as I don't like winter, I really do enjoy winter manicures. I hope that you will like the final manicure that I created for today's collab. I think that's it for this quick intro. Thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
If you